A portion of our practice is devoted to headaches, TMJs, things like that. We do have muscle relaxing exercise that we have patients to do. We do have TENS unit. We do have massages. The other thing is that we do bite analysis to see why they're grinding their teeth. A lot of patients will need what is called occlusal equilibration. We also do night guards or splints as well to help eliminate a lot of the discomforts that patients are having.